Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. Today I have a Technocnc CNC router, and I have Caleb the Whiz Kid here to show you guys how to use it. The travel is 20 by 19 by 6. The main spindle is 3 horsepower, 3-phase 220. It has an ER25 spindle. I only have a 1/4 inch collet with it. The hold down is vacuum operated, and I do not have a vacuum with this one, so I'm just using the trusty shop vac today. The computer does come with it. It's a Dell, has XP Professional on it. The controller is a Galaxy 3 and it's located under the base. Alright, Caleb, you mind starting the spindle up? Alright, now the x-axis. Now the Y. And the Z.
Set these values to 0 to home it. Come on.
So it's going to home now. And this one has a probe pad for setting the height.
Now it's moving. Slowly but surely. Well, so we will set this back up and import our file, which we are going to do this one. Pre-process. We can preview or simulation, and
Let me start the vacuum.
start the vacuum. So it's doing its plunge. It might take a minute to contact the material. We can pause it via this controller and this button and restart it with green along with our e-stop. There we have it.
Looks really good, Caleb.
Simple file.
All right. Thanks for looking.